Morena whānau, nau mai, hoki mai ki te wānanga Kapa Haka. Welcome back to Kapa Haka for Kids. There's plenty of adults tuning in too as well, which is awesome. If you're tuning in as a whānau, if you're tuning in as a family, that's even better. The whānau, that Kapa Haka together, stays together. Ka pai. But you're together anyway because we're locked down, right? Kia ora. Hey Ryan, ka pai. So, if you're just joining us for session 2, a quick little rundown. My name is Titi Torea, ka pai. And in a teaching sense, my students will call me Matua Titi. Matua in this case being the equivalent of Mr. And my first name being Titi, that's Thunder. Matua Titi, Mr. Thunder, or Māori Thor. Any one of those three is fine by me. Whenever we start off with Kapa Haka, first thing we always do, we mihi to one another. Ka pai? I acknowledge you and you acknowledge me. So, tēnā koutou tamariki mā, and then your response, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Ka pai. Let's try that one more time. Tēnā koutou whānau mā, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Ka pai tō reo Māori. Beautiful. So now that we're getting ready for our Kapa Haka, those of you might remember from yesterday, I'll figure out how this is not working. I got it working. Don't forget to take your shoes off. Ka pai. Flick your shoes off when we Kapa Haka. We Kapa Haka in bare feet. But if you're standing on a chilly surface, feel free to keep your socks on. Alright? Ka pai. Our Karakia, to start our day off, to start our Kapa Haka off, I'll say the words, you say them after me. I'll actions with the words, you actions with the words after me. Okay? Kia hora.
Kia ora.
Te marino.
Te marino.
Kia whakapapa.
Kia whakapapa.
Pounamu.
Pounamu.
Te moana.
Te moana.
Kia tere.
Kia tere.
Te karohirohi.
Te karohirohi.
I mua.
I mua.
I tō huarahi.
I tō huarahi.
Now with lots of enthusiasm. Tihei mauri ora. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora. Ka pai. I'm going to do that karakia one more time, but I'm not going to stop and wait for you to repeat after me. This time, I just want you to try and follow all of the actions and pick up as many words as you can remember. Kia hora te marino. Oh, by the way, the screen.
No.
Oh, kia hora te marino, toru wha. Kia hora te marino, kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi, I mua, I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora! Ka pai whānau. Can I do that karakia for you one more time in English to help all of our whānau understand this karakia? Ka pai? It goes like this. Peace be everywhere.
Peace be everywhere.
Let the oceans be calm for your journey, glistening like green stone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Kia ora. When that karakia says, kia hora te marino, peace be everywhere, it's not talking about world peace. It's an encouragement for us to be kind to the people around us. Ka pai? Kia hora te marino, be kind to the people around you. Beautiful. Let's do our warm-up with our vowel sound song. This is called Haka Ma. I love this song. Haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri te wenge whi. O ko mono koro tō ongo who. A e I o u. Uhuku munu puru tu unu fu. Kia ora. And if you're seeing this song for the first time, you'll see here that the sequence of consonants remains the same. It's just the vowel sound that changes through each line. So let's say the first line together. A haka ma,
A haka ma,
e heke me,
E heke me,
I hiki mi,
I hiki mi,
o hoko mo,
O hoko mo,
a e I o u,
A e I o u,
hukumu.
Uhukumu.
Ah, kia ora, ka pai whānau. So if you know this song, you know that we do one warm-up, one fast, and one super fast. So here we go for fast. Haka mana para tawanga pa, eke mene pere te wenge pe, iki mene pere te wenge pe, o hoko mono poro toa mo po, a e I o u, ukumunu puru tuunu. I know what you're thinking, how on earth could we go faster than that? Like this. You ready? Toru, fa. Haka mana para tawanga pa, heke mene pere te wenge pe, hiki mini piri te wenge pi, o hoko mono poro toa mo po, a e I o u, uhuka mono poro tuunu. Kia ora. Did you keep up with that? Wonderful. Kia ora. Ka pai whānau. Let's have a look at our second warm-up song. Paki paki, e oma, kani kani, e peke, and the last one, e moe. Are you ready? Tamariki ma, toru, fa. Paki 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 paki, tamariki ma. Paki 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 paki, tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. E oma, tamariki ma. Kani kani, kani kani, kani kani, tamariki ma. Kani kani, kani kani, kani kani, tamariki ma. E peke. Epeke, tamariki ma, epeke, 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 tamariki ma. Ka pai. E moe, tamariki ma. Haere ki te moe. E moe, In the Māori culture, when we want to say wake up, we say, e oho! Morena! Ka pai whānau. Let's move on to Mahunga Pakahiwi. Are you ready? Toru, wha. Mahunga Pakahiwi, puku hope wai wai. Mahunga Pakahiwi, puku hope wai wai. Mahunga Pakahiwi, puku hope wai wai. Taringa whātu I hua hae. Beautiful. I love this song. So, today, let's take out the words. This is the hard one. Let's take out the words mahunga. Let's take out the words waiwai. Let's take out the words taringa and waha. Okay, these are the hard ones to take out. No mahunga, no waiwai, no taringa, no waha. Are you ready? Goes like this. Toru, wha. Pakahiwi puku hope.
Ma,
Pakahiwi puku hope.
ma,
Pakahiwi puku hope. Whātu ihu e. How'd you do? Oh, fantastic. Ka pai. So, here's a little easy one. Let's count to 10 in Te Reo Māori. Are you ready? Tahi,
tahi,
rua,
rua,
toru,
toru,
wha,
wha,
rima,
rimba,
ono,
ono,
fitu,
fitu,
waru,
waru,
iwa,
iwa,
teko.
teko,
Kia ora. And let's sing those through with a repetition on iwa and te kau. Like this. Tahiru a toru wharima ono fitu aru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahiru a toru wharima ono fitu aru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahiru a toru wharima ono fitu aru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Tahiru a toru wharima ono fitu aru iwa te kau. Iwa te kau. Ka pai. Got your 1 to 10s down? Awesome. Ka pai whānau.
Tahiru a toru wharima ono fitu aru iwa.
Tu tira. Tu tira. You hear me accentuating the tira. The reason for it is we want to get some accuracy in the way that we're singing tu tira mai ngā iwi. Have you heard this before? Tu tera. Tu tera. Ka pai. Tu tera. We want to move away from that. We want to move into tu ti. Tu ti. Are you ready? Toru wha. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Good. Tātou, tātou e. Yes, you know it. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi. Kia ko tapatahi. Kia ko tahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou. Puriti aki a mau. He au e hui. Kia ora. Ka pai whānau. So, we're really fortunate to have received the original actions for Tūtira mai ngā iwi. These are the beautiful actions that are passed down from generation through generation from the descendants of our rangatira who wrote this song. How fortunate are we to be gifted not just the song today, but also the original actions. Ka pai. So you follow through for me, yeah? Tūtira mai ngā iwi.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi.
Ka pai, and then we go. Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Ka pai, then we go to the other side. Tūtira mai ngā iwi.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi.
Good, then we go to the back. Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Ka pai, and then flick up. Whai a te maramatanga. Whai a te maramatanga. Ka pai, then the hand goes to the ngākau. Me te aroha. Ka pai. 2 hands out. E ngā iwi. Yeah. Kia tapatahi. And then back out again. Kia kotahi rā.
Kia kotahi rā.
And then the taps. Tātou, tātou e.
Tātou, tātou e.
Did you pick those up? Are you ready to follow me through? Okay, let's do it, whānau. Tūtira mai, with a big smile, lots of enthusiasm. Toru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Other side. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga. Me te aroha. E ngā iwi. Kia ko tapatahi. Kia ko tahira. Tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou. Puriti aki a mau. He au e hi. Kia ora. Ka pai. Hey tamariki mā, at any time through the end of a song, if you like to do the pukanga like my son Jordan here, by all means, join in for one of those. Ka pai? Here we go. Oh, we looked at Puri Anei yesterday. Such a beautiful song, beautiful waiata, written by a beautiful man. So here we go. I'll sing it once, you sing it after me. I'll sing, you sing. Ka pai? Then we'll cover the actions and then we'll just enjoy singing it together. Are you ready? Ka pai. Pure anei,
Puri anei.
e te te hau.
E te hau.
Horoia.
Horoia.
E te ua.
E te ua.
Whiti whitia.
Whiti whitia.
E te rā.
E te rā.
Mahe ake ngā.
Mahe ake nā.
Poraruraru.
Poraruraru.
Ka pai. Makere ana.
Makere ana.
Ngā here.
Nā here.
Lovely. Ka pai. So, let's go through the actions. I'll sing with the actions, you sing it after me. Here we go. Ki raro. Hoppe. Ki raro. Hoppe. Purea nei. Purea nei.
Your turn. Puri anei.
E te hau.
E te hau.
Horoia.
Horohia.
E te ua.
E te ua.
Whiti whitia.
Whiti whitia.
E te rā.
E te rā.
2 big scoops. Mahe ake ngā.
Mahe ake nā.
Poraruraru.
Poraruraru.
Makere ana.
Makere ana.
Ngā here.
Nā here.
Oh, beautiful. Ka pai whānau. So, purea nei, twice, singing and actions. Do your best to keep up. Ka pai. Ki raro. Hope, toru, whā. Purea nei, e te hau. Horoia. Horoia, e te ua. E te ua. Whiti whiti. Whiti whitia. E te rā. Mahia ake ngā. Mahe ake ngā. Poraruraru. Poraruraru. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngā here. Makere ana. Makere ana. Ngā here. Hey! Ka pai. Oh, pukana again. Lovely, son.
Say hi to see.
Oh, pūrere hua. I love pūrere hua. And I know you're beginning to love it too, if you don't already. If you're just joining us for the first time, you'll hear pūrere hua every time, yeah? It's one of my favorites, but after this, I'll tell you why I've always taught it. Pūrere hua, rere no ho. Papaki pariro, rere no ho. Ka piki rungara wae. Papaki pariro, rere no ho. Pūrere hua, again. Maybe some help with the actions, eh? Here we go. Pūrere hua, rere no ho. Papaki pariro, rere no ho. Ka piki rungara wae. Papaki pariro, rere no ho. Oh, thank you very much. So, let me show you those actions really, really quickly. Kapai, hand out. Butterfly on top. Take your butterfly up. 2 gentle taps. Take the butterfly down. Lift it up on the breeze. 2 gentle taps. And butterfly down. Kapai. So a quick way to remember that is 1 hand up, 2 taps and down. 2 hands up, 2 taps and down. Are you ready? You actions. I'll sing. Play the guitar. You ready, son? Pūrere hua, toru, whā. Pūrere hua, rere no ho. Papaki piki pari rau re re runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pari rau re re runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pari rau re re runga hau. Kia ora. I told you you'd love it. The reason why I've always taught pūrerehua in my 10 years now as a kapa haka tutor, pūrerehua contains a repetitive sound that's very difficult in the Māori language. And that sound is the rolling R sound. Similar to the sound that a cat makes when it purrs. Ka pai. And it's also a very similar technique to when you hear a double D sound in the English language, like jara, or rara, or paddle, or brara whamanara mara. That double D sound, or the purring cat rolling R, is how we pronounce our R sound in Te Reo Māori. Now when we sing pūrerehua, you weren't even thinking about it. It came so natural to you. And that's why I've always taught pūrerehua. Ka pai? Oh, I've got to put the guitar down for Karanga Mai. This is one of our absolute favourites. Let's do a quick little recap. Karanga Mai.
Karanga mai,
Karanga Mai.
karanga mai.
Piwai waka e. Piwai waka e. Step to the side. Tuki tuki mai.
Tuki mai,
Tuki tuki mai.
tuki mai.
Piwai waka e.
Piwai
Good.
waka e.
He manu.
He manu,
Kori, kori.
kori, kori.
Don't forget you got to have the hips and the shoulders at the same time. He manu.
He manu,
Fio, fio.
fio, fio.
And then finish it like a high school musical. P-Y.
Piwai
Waka e.
waka e.
Ka pai. You repeat after me. Here we go. Karanga mai.
Karanga mai,
Karanga mai.
karanga mai.
P-Y waka e.
Piwai waka e.
Ka pai. Tuki tuki mai.
Tuki mai,
Tuki tuki mai.
tuki mai.
P-Y waka e.
Piwai waka e.
He manu kori kori.
He manu, kori, kori.
Nice. He manu fio fio.
He manu, fio, fio.
B-Y waka e.
Piwai waka e.
That's the one. Kia ora. So here we go, whānau. All together. Toru wha. Karanga mai. Karanga mai. B-Y waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Tuki tuki mai. P-Y waka e. He manu. He manu. Kori kori. He manu. Fio fio. P-Y waka e. Ka pai. Beautiful. Awesome. Did you have fun with that one? Ka pai. Can I tell you a quick little story about this song? When I first taught this song to a group of young children, they were getting ready to perform at a matariki event for their families. And every time they did tuki tuki mai, they were all going the wrong way. And when they were going the wrong way, they were bumping into each other. So while I was teaching the song, I would say this. I would go, B-Y waka e. And then I would point this way so that the kids knew to step to the right when they did their next move. Okay. The problem is they thought this was the action. So during our performance, well, our tamariki goes like this. Karanga mai, B-Y waka e.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh, father.
Tihei Mauri ora. I love this song. Tihei Mauri ora is the name of this waiata. Really easy. I'll say the words, you say them after me. Tihei Mauri ora.
Tihei mauri ora.
Tihei Mauri ora.
Tihei mauri ora.
Ngā iwi
Nā iwi.
o te motu e.
O te moto e.
Tuake.
Tuake.
Karangatia.
Karakia.
Tuake.
Tuake.
Manakitia.
Manakitia.
Ngā iwi.
Kia.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Ka pai. In the actions. After me. Tihei mauri ora.
Tihei mauri ora.
Tihei mauri ora.
Mauri ora.
Ngā iwi.
O
O te motu e. Awesome. Tuake.
tuake.
Karangatia.
Karangatia.
Tuake.
Tuake.
Manakitia.
Manakitia.
Ngā iwi.
Nai iwi.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Here we go. Tihe toru wha. Tihe mauri ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e.
Ahi owe owe.
Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tihe mauri ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e.
Ahi owe owe.
Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tahiru a toru wha.
Tasi awe.
Oh, ka pai. Tihei Mauri Ora is a song of welcome. It's a welcoming song. Ka pai. So when you sing Tihei Mauri Ora, make sure you have a welcoming face. Okay? Kia ora. How we doing for time, baby?
11:30 on the dot.
Huh?
11:30 on the dot.
11:30 on the dot. Right, it's Haka time. So let's recap yesterday's part of the Haka and then move on to part 2 of this very lovely Haka. Okay? You repeat after me. He toa, he toa.
Eto, eto.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maia, kia maia.
He toa, he toa.
Eto, eto.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maia, kia maia.
He kakano.
Eka kano.
Ruia mai.
Rui mai.
Irangi atea.
Irangi yatera.
Hey!
Hei.
Awesome. Now let's move on to the second part of this haka, yeah? It starts off with the leader. The leader says, Papaki taha. And we clap. And we step back. And we clap. And we step back. Go one more. Clap. And then step back. Ka pai. And you repeat the words after me. Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Te kaha, te kaha.
Teka ha, teka ha.
Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Te kaha, te kaha.
Teka ha, teka ha.
Take this hand and shoot it underneath. Kia tu.
Kia su.
Unravel it. Rangatira.
Rangatira.
Oa popo.
Ivy.
Po, po, po.
Oa popo.
O, a, po, po.
Owehi.
Oh,
And then we pukana. Ka boy. So let's go, whānau. 75% strength through the entire haka. I'll do it, you do it after me, okay? I'll do it, you do it after me. Let's do 75% strength. We'll have a little talk and then we'll finish with a really strong haka before we get into this week's homework, okay? Here we go. Ki raro. Ki te haka. Ki raro. Ki te haka. Come on. Torana titaha. 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 Just me. He to maya, kia maya.
Kia maya, kia maya.
He kakano.
E kakano.
Rui a mai.
Rui a mai.
Irangi atea.
Irangi atea.
Hey! Papa ki titaha. 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 Just me. Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Uhia, uhia.
Uhia, uhia.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Tekaha, tekaha.
Kia tu rangatira. Kia tu rangatira. O popo.
Oh, popo.
Awehi. Kia ora. Kapa. Yes. Okay, whānau. Follow me through. Haki roto. Haki waho. Haki roto. Haki waho. Let's remember our 3 haka rules. These are the 3 rules that keep us haka safe. Yeah? We have strong face. Strong face is our way of saying no smiling in the haka. Okay? Our second rule, strong voice. When we haka with a strong voice, we want our words to be clear. Anyone can scream at the top of their lungs. But we want to hear the message. Okay? So we want to be loud, but we want to be clear. And in the third rule, strong actions. Kapai? Yeah, big muscles, son. Kia ora. Kia ora. This time there will be no repeats. Jaden and I will lead you through the haka. Mirror my actions. Follow our kupu. If you can't keep up with the words, that's okay. Just make up your own, yeah? But what you can do is you can perform all of these actions with lots of energy. Kapai, take all of that built up energy from not being allowed to freely roam throughout the world and release it in this version of the haka. Kapai, are you ready?
Ready, Jamie?
Here we go. Kiraro. Kiraro! Kiraro. Some of you weren't ready. Kiraro! Kiraro. Still waiting on Liam. You weren't ready, Liam, I could tell. Here we go. Kiraro! Kiraro! Okay. I can see Ryan, Janice, all the way down in Christchurch. I can see you sitting down, mate. Get up. Here we go. Kiraro! Kiraro! Come on! Tarana titaha! 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 Hetoa! Heto! Heto! Kamaya! Kamaya! Heto! Heto! Kamaya! Kamaya! Hekakano! Uiamai! Irangiate! Papa Titaha! 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 Uhia! 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 Tekaha! Tekaha! Uhia! Uhia! Tekaha! Tekaha! Katu! Amatira! Mapopo! Awehi! Get up! Kia ora, son. Beautiful. And high five to you guys as well. Feeling the wairua, the mauri of that haka. Beautiful. I want to thank you so much for giving that haka a red hot go. This haka is all about our young people. It's about encouraging our young people to find the essence of their identity. It's about our young people getting the strength and the skills that we need to empower our young people with to be our future leaders, to be our leaders of tomorrow. Kapa, beautiful haka, and I want to thank you for embracing it and giving it a red hot go. Whānau, that brings us to the end of today's session. However, I want to know, how was your homework going? How many of you, put your hand up if you downloaded the Kupu app? Oh, good. How many of you, or put your hand up if you did your 5 kupu this morning. If you ran around the house taking 5 photos using the Kupu app to see what the Māori name was, put your hand up. Oh, good. Yes. Yeah, I would expect you to, actually. Yeah, you guys are onto it. So thank you so much. Keep up with the Kupu app. Kapai, it's a lovely way to introduce Te Reo Māori into the home. It's a really easy way. Click on the soundbite and it will give you the pronunciation. Practice it a few times. And look, you know what? If you pick up a couple of words that you start using all the time, that's awesome. That would be absolutely great. Homework. I won't see you again until Monday. Kapai, I give you the weekend off. But between now and Monday, I want you to learn how to make a poi. I'm going to put some images up on my Matua Whaitiri Pautawa Facebook page on how to make some easy poi at home. Because I understand that not everyone has the wool and the fluffy foam and all the plastic bags or whatever you need to make a poi. So what I'm going to do is just chuck up some really crazy examples on some impromptu poi that you can make. If you're able to make an impromptu one at home, you know, stuff a flannel with some newspaper and tie a string in there and twirl that around, whatever you can do, Kapa, because on Monday we're going to look at some poi, okay? If you've already got one at home, that's lucky for you. If you don't, please don't stress out. Give me a couple of hours to put some examples up on my page on how you can make some poi at home. And then come Monday when we are back for Kapa Haka, we'll look at doing some poi movements and a poi song. We will also continue to add poi in throughout all of our sessions. Mauri ora kia koutou whānau, thank you so much for coming out.